Hi, today you will learn how to draw a grid on the video in Kdenlive. So if you want to insert a grid, you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. And after that, you need to click on it. And then we need to move the cursor to the start. And we need to go to Effects tab. It is very important to open this tab because here you can find your effect. We need to click on the search field and we need to type grid. Then one from available options will be draw grid. Of course, you can find this effect manually in generate tab. So we need to drag and drop draw grid effect to our video. And after that, on the effect and composition settings, we can modify the color of the grid. For example, I'm going to select here black color and I click OK button, and we can modify the settings here. For example, I will increase the X offset, I will increase the Y offset, I will increase the width to add more lines here, and I will increase the height here. Of course, you can modify the thickness too if you want, for example, to this one. So it may create here you a really great effect if you want. But I will change it maybe to 5 because in my opinion it looks really great then. So now if you will play your video, you will be able to see here the grid. So how you see, it looks really great. If I helped you to generate it in your video, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.